Ever wondered where the brains behind Modalyst, the platform revolutionizing the dropshipping industry, are actually located? Well, let's dive in and uncover the mystery. Modalyst's impact. Before we get to the location, let's quickly recap why Modalyst is such a big deal. It's a game changer for online entrepreneurs, offering a seamless way to source and sell products without holding inventory. The dropshipping model. Explain the concept of dropshipping, emphasizing how Modalyst simplifies the process. Modalyst features. Highlight key features like product sourcing, order fulfillment, and automated shipping. The location hunt begins. Popular theories. Introduce some fun and plausible guesses about Modalyst's location, based on factors like the company's global reach and the tech industry's hubs. Clues and teasers. Drop subtle hints about the location, using riddles or coded messages to keep viewers engaged. The reveal. Dramatic pause. Build suspense before revealing the location. The answer. Announce that Modalyst is headquartered in city, state/province, country. Visuals. Show a quick video or image of the city or Modalyst's office building to reinforce the location. Why this location? Strategic advantages. Explain the reasons behind Modalyst choosing this particular location. Consider factors like talent pool, access to skilled tech professionals, infrastructure, reliable internet and logistics networks, cost of living, favorable business environment, time zone, strategic positioning for global operations. Behind the scenes. Office tour, optional if possible. Include a short virtual tour of Modalyst's office to give viewers a glimpse of the company culture and workspace. Employee interviews. Feature brief interviews with Modalyst employees to get their perspectives on working at the company and living in the city. Recap. Summarize the key points discussed, reiterating Modalyst's location and the reasons behind it. Call to action. Encourage viewers to explore Modalyst's platform further, sign up for a free account, or share the video with others interested in dropshipping. Closing statement. End with a memorable phrase, such as, "So, the next time you're browsing Modalyst's vast product catalog, remember that behind every item is a team of dedicated professionals working from the heart of city." Subscribe button. Prompt viewers to subscribe for more content related to dropshipping, e-commerce, and Modalyst. Related videos. Suggest other relevant videos from your channel or other creators. Social media links. Provide links to your social media profiles for further engagement. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep exploring the world of dropshipping.